Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So student, today date is 3rd 11 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 20. So student, take out your book, open page number 117 and take one rough copy also, so that you can note down the important points from the board also. So the name of the chapter is Birth of a Nation. Name of the chapter is Birth of a Nation. So student, in previous video we are talking about the 3 levels of government, that is central government, state government and local self government, that is in village area. So student, they look after the welfare of the people living in that area. They look after the welfare of the people which are living in that area. So let's discuss some of the functions of the Gram Panchayat, what they do for the welfare of the village peoples. So functions of a Gram Panchayat. Functions of a Gram Panchayat. So student, see, for the welfare of the village people, elections are also held in the villages also. Okay, and whether it is a election of a Gram Panchayat or whether it is a election in the state government or central government, in the constitution the age is mentioned who can give the vote. So that age is any person or any citizen of India whose age is 18 years or above 18 years can give the vote at the time of a election. So by this method, members are elected by the peoples, by the people. So in village election, the members are from the same village. The members are from the same village, and the person who is giving the vote, they are also of the same villages. They are also from the same village. And in Gram Panchayat student, maximum numbers of a member in Gram Panchayat is 7 to 17. 7 to 17 members. So maximum is 17. And student, this depends upon the population of the village. It depends upon the population of the village. So now student, and the head of the village gram panchayat is known as sarpanch. Head is known as the head of village gram panchayat is known as sarpanch. So student, now let's discuss some of the functions of the gram panchayat. Maintaining cleanness of the village. So cleanness is very important. Cleanness is of the village. So student, cleanness of the village is very important, because if the surroundings are clean, then only we are fit and healthy. So this is also one of the important function of the gram panchayat, that they look after the cleanness of the village. So next function is planting trees. Okay, planting trees in the village and digging wells. वेल्स मतलब होता है बेटा कुएं, ठीक है, जिससे हम लोग क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर वी टेक आउट, एंड दिस वाटर इज आल्सो नोन एज अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. This water is also known as underground water. So, and lightening of streets. ठीक है, so this is also a function of a gram panchayat. Planting trees in the villages, planting trees, digging wells and digging wells in the village and lightening so there should be a street light, so the things are visible at the time of night. Providing clean drinking water, this is also a function of a gram panchayat, providing clean drinking water to the peoples living in that village. Next is now setting up the primary health center. See student, in villages area, primary health center, so student, in village area you will find there are dispensaries are in village area. So the people who are sick, they go in that dispensaries, doctors see the patient and give them medicine, and free of cost the medicine is given to the village people. In this dispensary, the medicine which is given to the village people is free of cost. They are not paying any money for that. So this is also an important function of a gram panchayat. And even any construction work in the village, that is also done by the gram panchayat. Maintenance of the roads, that is also a important function of the gram panchayat. Is it clear? Now another important thing is that time to time workshops are arranged in the villages, and in that workshops training is given to the farmer, that how they apply the new technology in the field of cultivation. So in this, good quality of a seed and fertilizer is also provided to the farmers. Time to time seminars are arranged for the farmers, so that they are taught new techniques to be applied in the field of cultivation, and good quality seeds and fertilizers which the farmers use at the time of cultivation in the fields, that is provided to the farmers. Setting of a primary school. See student, this point, setting of a primary school, government set primary school in the villages, but in these schools student get free education. They are not paying any fees. Even they get their dress and all books copies free of cost. Even they are getting the midday meal also in the school. So in this, the gram panchayat people also manage these facilities, to provide these facilities to the poor children. There are establishing of adult education centers. So this is also a function of a gram panchayat, that see in villages area many adult peoples, those are not educated. So established adult education center. This is also the important function of the gram panchayat. Getting disputes among villagers. If the member of villages, अगर उनके अंदर कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो जाती है, ग्रुप्स में कोई लड़ाई हो जाती है, सो दिस टाइप्स ऑफ सेटिंग्स भी सेटलिंग डिस्प्यूट्स अमंग द विलेजर्स. ठीक है. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज आल्सो द फंक्शन ऑफ द ग्राम पंचायत. सो this all is done by the gram panchayat, and for this they are getting the fund also. ठीक है. So because without money how can they do for the welfare of the people of the villages? So for this fund is also provided to the gram panchayat. Okay. Now see student, municipal committee and municipal corporation, two more things. So in a villages all the facilities that has been seen by the gram panchayat. But in small towns or cities, or you can say in the big cities, who look after the needs and welfare of the people. So in small town and cities, student, we have municipal committee, and in big cities we have municipal corporation. And method of elected the members from the different ward, that is again by voting. And who, now the question arises, who gives the vote? So people living in that locality, or you can say area, they give a vote at the time of election. Okay. Now see, a municipal committee or municipal corporation. Municipal committee or municipal corporation. So student, now see, municipal committee, these are in small towns or cities, and municipal corporations are in big cities, you can say metro cities. So what is the method, how they are elected? See, for example, you take an example of any city. So that cities is divided into different wards. For example, I take example of a Varanasi. Let Varanasi be divided into 30 wards. So it means Varanasi city is divided into 30 wards. अलग अलग 30 स्मॉल स्मॉल एरिया में डिवाइड कर दिया. ठीक है. सो फ्रॉम ईच वार्ड one member is choose from each ward. Now the question arises, who give the vote? So the person, those are living in that particular area. जैसे वाराणसी को 30 वार्ड्स में 30 एरियाज में डिवाइड कर दिया. फ्रॉम ईच वार्ड we choose one member, and who give the vote? Person living in that ward or area, they give the vote. Okay, for example, Varanasi is divided into 30 wards. मैं एक एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ. So from each ward one member is choose from each ward. It means now how at the time of election how many member are choose? That is 30. That is 30 members. And these members are known as student councillor. These members which are elected from each ward, that is known as councillor. And who give the vote? द पर्सन लिविंग इन दैट एरिया, जैसे वाराणसी के 30 वार्ड हैं, 30 एरिया वार्ड दिया, तो हर ये नहीं है कोई भी किसी भी वार्ड में जाके वोटिंग कर सकता, नो दैट इज नॉट। सो पर्सन लिविंग इन दैट वार्ड, जैसे विलेज में होता था हु गिव द वोट, द पर्सन लिविंग इन दैट विलेज, इन द सेम मैनर द पर्सन लिविंग इन दैट वार्ड गिव द वोट। in this manner 30 members are elected. Now after that what happens, out of these 30 member, one become the head, one become the head, and what we say, the head of a municipal municipal committee, the head of a municipal committee, that is known as chairman, that is known as chairman, ठीक है। so many times student are very confused in this question. In one word, whenever this question comes, so in the place of chairman they are writing mayor, and in the place of mayor they are writing chairman. Student, no need of confusion. If it is municipal committee, then the head is known as chairman. And what are the members known as? Members known as councillor. The members are members of each ward, they are known as councillors. Is it very clear? Members are known as councillor, and head of the municipal committee is known as what? Chairman. Is it clear? Now there is a very little difference between the method of election of municipal committee and municipal corporation is the same. Method of election is same in both municipal committee and municipal corporation. Where we get the difference, that I tell you. For example, difference is, for example, if there is an election of a municipal corporation and age is any type of election, age is what is mentioned in the constitution, 18. Any person whose age is 18 or above 18 can give the vote. So in municipal committee, from each ward members are choose from each ward. In the same manner, municipal corporation, if we are talking about the big city, it is divided into many parts that are known as wards, and from each ward one member is elected. And who give the vote? Again the same thing, person living in that ward give the vote. Is it clear? Now only single difference what we come and see, all the members of a municipal committee are known as councillor. In the same manner, in case of municipal corporation also, the members are known as councillor. Here also in committee also member are councillor. In municipal corporation member are councillor. Both the common thing. From where the difference come? Now when we are talking about the municipal corporation, then the head, who is the head of municipal corporation? So the head of municipal corporation is mayor. The head of municipal corporation is mayor. That is the difference. Is it clear? And in the case of a municipal committee, it is known as chairman. And in the case of municipal corporation, the head is known as mayor. So all this about municipal committee and municipal corporation, which is given in the book. Now student, let's discuss some of the duties. What are the function of these municipal committee and municipal corporation? Committee in small towns and cities and municipal corporation in big cities. देखो कुछ फैसिलिटी तो कॉमन है, whether you are living in the village, ठीक है, whether you are living in the small towns or city or a big city, everyone want clean drinking water, education facility, road facility, electricity facility, health facility. So these are the common things which is सेम इन ऑल दिस ग्रुप्स. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि विलेज वाले उनको भी तो ड्रिंकिंग क्लीन वाटर चाहिए. So that some of the common things, which are the some things are very common, so which is the function of all these three, that is village panchayat also they provide these facilities, municipal committee also they provide this facility, and municipal corporation also they provide this facility. Now when we are talking about the functions, so functions of, I am talking about the functions of municipal corporation also and municipal committee also. Is it clear? Good living condition for the people living in a town or city, or they are living in the big city. जैसे villages में क्या था, cleanness of the village. So this thing is also common in both small towns and cities, and big cities also. Cleanliness is very important. Surrounding must be neat and clean, otherwise how can you be fit and healthy? Okay, so provide good living condition for the people of a town or city. Build and maintain roads and keep them clean. So this is also the function of the gram panchayat also. Build the road and maintaining the road. In the same manner here also, building of the roads and keep them clean. Okay, next, provide clean drinking water to the people living in that area. Is it clear? Provide clean drinking water to the people living in that area. Next, set up schools, adult education centers and libraries. Schools, libraries. So these are also the function of the municipal committee and corporation also. Set up schools for the education of the children in that area. Ensure supply of electricity to homes and lightening of the street. See this, I already discussed with you that maximum facilities are common or same, whether it is a village, town, small cities or big city. Everyone need clean drinking water, everyone need electricity and lightening of the streets. Okay, and even student, they also issue birth and death certificate also, and this is issued by the gram panchayat. If the member is person is belonging to any village, then this is issued by the gram panchayat. But if it is in city or big city, then death and birth certificate is issued by them. Is it clear? Make parks and garden and plant trees. See, this is also in village gram panchayat function is also that planting of the new trees. So in cities area, make parks and garden and plants trees. Build and maintain market and public toilets also. Okay, so big markets from where the people can buy the things of their needs. So building of the building of the market also, and maintenance of the market also. This is also the function of municipal committee and corporation. And student, even public toilets. Okay, so these are some of the functions of the village panchayat, municipal committee and municipal corporation that I discuss in today video. Thank you student.